Den, Dart, I crashed. I really need fixing.
Oh dear, look at you. Good job I've got my Diesel Works trucks with me.
What he means is, we've got all the Diesel Work equipment here with us, so you don't have to go to the Diesel Works. But please go quickly.
Okay, Diesel 10, we'll go as fast as we can. Wait a minute, they've disappeared.
What he means is, those trucks that were next to us have gone.
Oh no, Tom Moss and the Joker have stolen them. Quick, Dart, go and chase them.
I'm on it, Den.
Ah, Duck, I need you to deliver 5 trucks of coal to the Paw Patrol, who are waiting at the clock tower.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Come back! Oh well, better get going, Duck. The trucks may be quite heavy.
Meanwhile, Gordon was filling up with coal. Gordon, that's your 3rd lot of coal today. Save some for the rest of us. And that's why diesels are better than steamies. Diesel engines don't rely on anything. Nothing of ours can be stolen. Okay. Not many things can be stolen. Suddenly, Duck showed up.
Gordon, you've had a lot of coal today.
Well, Duck, important engines like myself need a lot of coal to be really useful. Not that you'll know about being useful. Duck was annoyed. What I need are more tenders. Suddenly, Duck had a naughty idea.
Well, Gordon, it just so happens I have 5 tenders which I never use.
Well, are they big and grand?
Of course they are. If you go to the turntable, my driver will connect them to you.
Aha! I'll be the biggest and grandest engine on Sodor. I'll only be given important jobs. No more dirty trucks for me ever again.
You don't have 5 tenders, Duck.
I know, but I do have 5 dirty trucks of coal. That should teach Gordon a lesson.
Soon, Gordon was steaming round the island with his new, tenders.
Out of my way! Important engine coming through.
Did you see that, Ben? Gordon's not pulling the express. He's pulling dirty trucks.
Out of my way, dirty diesels. Well, look at that, Bert. Gordon's now pulling trucks just like the rest of us. Oh, hello, Chase and Rubble. Have you noticed my new tenders? Now I'm the grandest engine on Sodor.
I don't see any tenders, Gordon. All I see are 5 dirty coal trucks.
Wait, what?
Ah, Gordon. Thank you so much for bringing my coal trucks here for me while I did some important jobs. I didn't think you'd show off the dirty trucks to everyone, though.
Oh, the indignity!
Come back with the diesel work trucks.
Uh-oh.
Oh, thank you, Gordon, for stopping Tom Moss. You've saved the day.
Hear that, Duck? Even while doing your dirty job, I still managed to save the day. I truly am the grandest engine on Sodor.
Hey guys, Chris here. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to Toy Trains For You if you haven't already. Hope to see you soon. Bye.